I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's December 31st, New Year's Eve, the last day of December, the last day of 2019. So I'm heading on the road right now. Yeah, and I think I'm going to a restaurant which has like a flowers section of it, and then afterwards I'm going to like a party because you know I didn't want to be alone on New Year's Eve. So I'm heading out and you guys are coming with me. I don't know what I'm gonna be recording, but yeah, you guys come in with me on the journey. So I'm about to leave out right now, and yeah, I feel pretty. Okay guys, so the place that I wanted to go to, it was closed, so we went to Shibuya in Tokyo instead. Guys, so we're at this place called Hooters, which is like a restaurant, and we're here to take pictures.
Follow me guys on YouTube.
What's your YouTube name?
Happy New Year. Staecha G. You can put that on your screen, I'll tell you.
Okay, mom. Yeah, she's a Jamaican YouTuber as well, guys, so go subscribe to her channel.
Yeah, like
I ordered a buffalo chicken sandwich, strawberry milkshake.
what do you want? Exactly.
It was somebody's birthday, guys. We just left the restaurant and we're heading to the club now. We're in Shibuya and we're trying to find the club. I'm with a lot of Jamaicans.
Yes!
Yeah. Wait, I think is it up here?
Oh, wait.
I think it's up here.
Yeah, right for the stomach. Yeah, so the next turn after the stomach. So Michaela is going to the club in this nice Christian. What is Wendy doing? Yes. Me and my Christian
Loco. Where to?
From here.
Is it up here?
Where?
Oh, there's a Jamaica restaurant around here, I think. Gotcha. Okay, Miss Runway model. You're not easy at all. Taking off her jacket in this freezing cold to take pictures. Okay. Oh, there is a Jamaican restaurant right here in Shibuya. It's called Goodwood. Made it to the party. It's January 1st, New Year's Day officially, first day of 2020, and I am heading back on the road, as you can see, because one, oh by the way, I have my mask because I'm gonna be going on the train, and these people, every time I go on the train, it's like I catch something. So today I have my mask so that I don't catch anything. Anyway, so I'm going to go to Ebina, which is like close by to where I live, and I'm going to get fukubukuro, which is like a lucky bag. So around January 1st, January 2nd in Japan. It's a tradition where stores, they put their old stock together and they sell it. So for example, they might put some items together that is valued at 8,000 yen, and they would sell it to people for 4,000 yen or 6,000 yen. So pretty much you're getting like clothes or whatever it is at a discounted price. But the catch is you don't actually get to pick out what you are getting. So it's called, when you translate it, it's called lucky bag, but at the same time it's like you have to be lucky to get like everything that you like in the bag. So for me, I've never done it before, but I want to try it. So I'm heading to the mall because there's this one store, the lighting, there's this one store that I really like, which I think they sell stuff that I like, that I would wear. So that's the store that I'm gonna try and get it at, but it's kind of late in the afternoon, so I'm not sure if I'm not sure if they still have. I might go to another store, Uniqlo. If Forever 21 was still in Japan, then definitely would just buy a Forever 21 lucky bag, but they're no longer here, so I have to go with Uniqlo. But anyways guys, I'll see you in a bit. I'm tired. Walking, that's what Japan is all about. But happy new year guys, happy new year. I hope this year is a very good year for you and you achieve all your goals and everything that you set out to achieve in this year. Put on my mask. See you in a bit guys. Uniqlo and I don't see any of the Fukubukuro bags, but I'm trying to buy like a thermal so that I can wear it underneath my clothes since it's winter. Winter coats all around. You know, make the same bite if you not take, because what purpose does it serve?
Yeah, let's leave and go to the mall. I think no problem.
We in Lalaport, same Ebino. Everybody's trying to shop for the New Year's party. Everywhere has sale. We're going back upstairs.
We're still walking to look
All right,
for the
18. I'm going to gamble for the first time in my life in Japan. First time. January 1st.
But I actually let the choose, guys. If you want two, it's cheap. Choose it for you. So you can go.
So I'm gonna buy one 300 yen ticket. So wish me luck.
So you want Ichiman? One. And then when you scratch, what happens?
Oh wait. Oh, peek. Okay, come peek. Peek for me. Okay. Thank you. So just scratch? Point. Okay. Alright, let me go here. Where do I scratch it all? Oh, you're scratching this direction.
And then what?
I don't know. Do I scratch here? What does this mean?
I don't know. Then we ask her.
Mina.
The devil sign that.
This one. So I wasted my 300 yen because I don't win anything. But let me ask her. They have a lotto here too. So we gonna buy numbers? We gonna buy a lotto?
No, not today, New Year's Day. Damn it.
At New Year's, you know, we need some money in my pocket. No? Yes? Hi? Hi?
No.
No? Okay, thank you. No. Alright, let's go. I wasted my 300 yen. I didn't win anything.
So you lose 300 Day and New Year's Day.
Yes.
No, but seriously, it's the other one. I thought it was the numbers that you
We can. But now it's.
lost. What is in lost?
Oh, let me video this. Okay, guys, so this is the lucky bag that I've been talking about. Uniqlo never had it, so I didn't get to buy it, and I'm trying to find another store that I think I might like the items. So we're just walking around in the mall right now to see if we can buy something.
But it's a good place to buy something.
These things are very thin. I want to keep me warm. So this jacket is for $9.90, which is like 1,000 Jamaican dollars, 10 US dollars. And I'm so tempted to buy it because it looks so nice. This looks very nice. I like it. I think I'm gonna buy it. Actually, I don't like the design. Come to think of it, I don't like it. I'm not buying it. Alright, I'm gonna buy this. Fukubukuro. Earring. Okay, earrings. Alright, let's see. Earring. Yeah, this one. So, okay. Alright guys, so I bought my Fukubukuro and its earrings. So I'm excited to see what I got. Look at this shopaholic. Shopaholic with a bag of stuff. Turn around with them to their bag. Yes, always shopping.
Something white for church tomorrow.
I hear you. And I bet you have a lot of stuff in your closet could have worn.
White? No.
Yeah, you have white stuff.
No.
You just love to spend.
No, seriously.
Okay, I hear you.
I'm getting one of these though. Definitely.
But that's staying. This is for a vacation.
A church. Which vacation?
No. Because of winter now, where are you going with this thin thing?
You wear something underneath the...
Okay. This guy, we're in H&M.
But I'm gonna try it. It looks big, right?
Yeah.
But I took the... probably my size anyway. Anyway, I'm gonna try and do it.
We have finished our little shopping. And we are going to...
Shop?
Yes, I shopped. I didn't get what I wanted, but yeah. So we are going to find some food to eat right now. So we're heading to the food court here, and hopefully it's not packed. Oh, Wendy's is here. So this is the food court. Hope I don't see any of my kids because I'm always from here. Indian restaurant. So this is my food, my naan, my chicken, my rice. The rice literally.
You're not hungry.
And 2 different, I think curry. I think they are curry.
Is it spicy?
Yes, it's hot. So I just finished eating the Indian food. It was good. And no, I don't feel like going home yet. So I'm heading to the movie theater, which I've never been to the movies by myself ever in my life. but for 2020 I've decided that I need to start doing things on my own. So my friend that I was with earlier, she left, and I decided that I want to see Jumanji. So I'm gonna go watch it by myself without anybody, because I was born alone, you know. So why not do things by myself and stop waiting on people to do things with me? So I'm heading to the movie theater right now. I'm gonna see if they have it in English. If they have it in English, I'm gonna watch it if it's not running too late. So I just finished the movie. It was very, very good. I enjoyed it, Jumanji. So I'm heading home right now. I'm walking to the train station, and this is where I'm gonna end this video. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and Happy New Year again to everyone who has been tuning into my videos. Thank you guys for the support, and I hope 2020 will be the year for prosperity and everything that you guys want to achieve. The sky's the limit. Anyways guys, later, bye, see you in the next video. Peace. Before I go guys, look at this view. This is so cute. Las Vegas. Good luck. So this is Ebina, and like I said, I'm walking to the station right now. So I'm on the plaza, the mall. So I'm just walking to the station. The cinema is over there, Toho Cinema. That's where I usually go to watch movies, and another one that's near here. So it's home time for me. Fashion. Home time.